Hi, this is Dr. Thomas Burnett here at Regeneration Pittsburgh. I'm talking with Andy. Andy, thanks for offering to talk about your procedure. Andy came to me, oh my gosh, it's been almost 2.5 years ago.
2.5 years,
one of the first ones we did. And we had, on the right knee, we had a meniscus tear. The left knee, we had an ACL tear, as well as some mild arthritic changes. And 2.5 years ago, literally, we did stem cell procedures. So since that time, I know you're very active in painting up and down ladders. How much improvement overall have you seen over those 2.5 years?
I would say in the past 2.5 years, probably an 80 to 85% improvement. I can say at first the level of pain that I was dealing with in both knees was just excruciating, and after the procedure, up until now, the relief has just been astronomical, really. And what I've been able to do without the pain, and very low pain at all, has been wonderful.
That's good. Thank you. And I guess last question: would you recommend this? If somebody coming in with a similar presentation, would you recommend this as opposed to other options?
For sure. Before any kind of surgery or anything like that, I would definitely recommend trying this and seeing if it works for you.
That's great. Thanks again, Andy.
No problem.